We are going again, but I forgot to talk about a story. Yebeka when Asake or Asaka or whatever his name is, Eba Ghana no. Papa bi ebe semi-automatic gun bi a tool bi, and you was shooting anyhow. Guy we are no. Now when this happened, and Ghana for be brave, as Asika said there be, where the police for say omuye hu bibi. And we heard say police had arrested him. And then they are giving him bail. And he say a friend of cyborg. And yes, sir. And now I mean we are kasano. Nipa odi tuo. I see sana guy no ye langa do say bibi no. And then yaman appointment. John Mahama Abay. Ama sa guy okra tuwa or shooting anyhow into the air no. I can want them. And then yaman appointment. They say abona basu.
Voice.
The point. There's one thing I will refuse.
Voice.
Voice.
Yes.
Voice, hold on. We can't talk about this now, okay? One of our own has been beaten by national security. This is not John Mahama's issue you want to talk about. Some of us we are shaking. National security.
Mama incompetence.
And I said yesterday, lock him, handcuff him, and beat him. Voice, we can't talk about John Mahama. I don't want to talk about him.
We
are going through right now. Some of us are traumatized. We are traumatized. I am a lady, Jollof. The only thing he says is that why are we beating somebody else? And almost if you cry, we are looking for you. The next thing is to handcuff him and put him and start beating him.
Oh my God.
You cry, we are looking for. Some of us, our faces are out there. I am a lady. Imagine if this happened to me. I will not survive it. Because of what? What have we done? What is our crime? We are in an opposition party.
Rock, they also when they say, now no, abay no, omun did laws who. Hey, let me tell you the truth.
So
in fact, they can kill you and leave you and nothing will happen to you. You be able to see.
And to say, what was some of us
but my main customer chairman and they say the conscience of Ghanaians, Ghana for more corrupted now. Ghana for penny for a corrupted, Obia grinning yato omo, and you who had the bonny or my anymore. As I want some social media and I media space about Argentine. A dear cost for mining more and go fakata or money Duncan Williams, Argenasare, Peace Council, a ye friend say, Imam for name penny for yato bia or who is talking? Nobody is talking in the country. And sometimes, Madam Okano, it's not say. Yeah, bit me can say back on social media. And then I bit my phone because police and young police for the
Pastor, we still have to talk about it. That was it.
I'm not saying say can want some. What I'm saying is say Yebeka wants them.
They should leave us.
They should leave us. Yebeka wants them. And what's something the Yebeka? And then about the voice say yeah won't hey guy yeah the voice say can I see cyborg yeah the voice say can I want see this guy some okay on the day no two when they say I want my boss Ibrahim Mahama. I want my boss Kofi Buache. I want President Mahama to forgive me to do this warning shoot for us. Like meaning say he has a relationship with the president brother and Kofi Buache, who is the chief operational officer security our presidency.
Would you believe say and somewhere across Ghana? And you may course who are Kufuado so Bonnie any your friends Kevin Taylor mo boy yo woo Germany woman Ibrahim Mahama and sponsor
Bonnie let me tell you let's recently I saw some video na akwawi say do ya me kana say me yeah to trust me Ibrahim have called him into his car. Me who's on the kasa no one guy and say he should be careful of the way he's doing and he on home. Ibrahim Mahama is the cause of all the treachery. Find to come there, and Kofa, Yabu Ghana. Ibrahim Mahama is the one that all sponsor Kofo. Azuma Nelson, Ibrahim Mahama atoka ama. Ibrahim Mahama atoka ama Azuma Nelson. Ibrahim Mahama atoka ama Raf ya obedi atam edidi otumfo atam edidi Ghana mpanimfo atam ina yentoka ama no. Ibrahim Mahama atoka ama no. Kevin Taylor nyoma we nyina Ibrahim Mahama. The problem of Ghana now is Ibrahim Mahama, but enkofo atwi wo mani said omu ye because he is able to use his money to sponsor omo what is kale katan kofo no
because it was no
ni idea yem party pompanimfo yem omo anyame ato omo so omo nya bi no omo nya to de ya na ya ma rewo omo say omo president de Ibrahim mo ne kere Japan. These are what omo so omo music ye said ye be party ni benya nkofo omo so akoma yen ba omo de bi oh ene ya de ya ene ye. That is the problem I have with MPP. Hey, my man can say cocoa cocoa farmers are crying. Cocoa farmers almost because cocoa board say cocoa board say cocoa board for say almost exchange rate number 10 cedi almost so no $100 and you say omu ni sika omu ko this can buy almost say ayaketu abi and omu ntimi ntua cocoa farmers and na obi o cocoa farmer bia cocoa gu hono ma yento me papa cocoa gu hono se sia onye obi ma nento. But enipa nkasa because o mine yakata wo bia no journalists akwabia say for be Justice Baidu ewo Hunter area mu baby. One of the most tribalistic journalists of all Ghana and as akwa no MPP time na Justice Baidu so na beto to the paste and Akufo do say and Akufo do say Galam said that so cause the akoya kata NDC say sorry no crazy NDC. Sorry, no crazy NDC. The country now, ye moral fiber as a country, any hope ye mo. The voice, any Muni Panketing Kitty be woman now when I'm Yansa, a friend say Yansa at the castle. The rest of the country will be corrupt from Christian Council, Bishop Council, and the Eben Council. Woman, you know, you corrupt people. Say, a first one, Christmas one. Do you know what goes on at the background? I check the politicians the church Christian Council, no Bishop Council, no deben no. Make bibia President Mahama this Christmas and then more chama as of for Ghana. Me can watch much well. The voice over by one. Now over just say I didn't sorry. Yakako Christmas package be your friends can you need the kugwa mana. Obeba be tina radio so and that's why I can say Mahama is into nyai. One ye. What media try to say we as a political party as MPP ye united front. If we say we then we don't come together, it will be a very big tax for us because because part a country now no.
Send the video any man one person me video be for home pacho.
Okay.
When you fairness a member of my money na corrupt. Woni ni pe ka sebe no
ya broche na wo se aje sa adwuma we ye na se wo metwa wo be ba ha e di interpol be fa ya be che yakokun ya wo ma be fa yakokun ya wo Ghana ho
enti eno wa saka kra na meka no wo de ba menya na obi so nto aso bi
Joe Smart akwaba Joe Smart wo
yeah masa otiminka
eso room
otiminka
yeah kasa
okay Menda wasini akwanya odi amami na ninka sanche nsemo a ekosu Ghana ne de ya dia ha na nso so kanise na yie me kaya yofu asemu na mekeni kaya yofu ni de no munye mmobo baako ile mmobo munye mieni se mo muti ho obi etimi adwene mo ho asida ma mo di motu mo da bontine ntuntum wi mo enkran ntuntum omo ba ti se nwansa na nyankopon ya adom no bi asida adi motu nye gina wo se ye beto abetia mo ampa no ma so nyani atumi ato aba ati aye ame ya ko opposition nese ne ma brabo no asa aba ne dada mu a na mitwa na me eno de omonye me mobo baako obi ti se a teacher for ne nurse for wo so sa nkofo no omonye mobo baako zo mi ni pa woni fo ye na gesi obi eturu ma ko hwe nkwa a usu nturu ngede enkonko hwe wo Nse ka MPP aye bone kura tia mo anka kwan om de mo fa so no ka mo de mo nche de mo nwene na mo ka abai wo mo bai wo mo aboy nti yensa ntra wo bie mo hwe na se yetra wo na se nese ina anye yi a to obetia mo wo hwe nyame anim ti mi to obetia ti do mo nyem mobo bako ninka sanche sense mo adwuma mtino me ko tekire ni nyakwa me ko break ya mesa maba.
Okay. You that's just smart. Yeah. Say Mike. There was some bika na aka 4 minutes now.
Okay. Na me ka say sa dia me bra bika bi say was say yeah party no no penifo na omo wo ma kakra wo mo sem no me de asem o kan na me de pa was omo so no omo so grassroots na se na ye nya base bi a be ka say nye NDC for nko na ye ka say omo wo base a chese omo de eba no kai ya omo nko na nim se na ese ye kai se dem ka wate ase was say titi bi kofo bi ti say data force mu na ya dismantle omo na was say some for me omo back so what I say now omo who say yes say the best trust but ahomba body
Say Mike.
bibi abe how adwen ansa na waka say utu hwana mo yes ansa waka say utu hwana mo enti kofo bi ti say data force for na ye ni mo dada na was say for ye entwi omo nyina some brain party no back na start from a na ye hu say wo is bia say du mu ya mu kan wa say me kakra bi o ya pa kakra bi mo a nipa de na adwo besan bet ye hwe we mu so yi a won say wo ma ni o mu hye ase no anka enye say abedu bet going forward no media me empenifo na mo ban omo a mo kasa omo ti no mo fa nto omo akoma so say na e form for no ye ka say sa for nyina ye san twa omo back yesremo mo san twa omo back na mo manya base bi a kofo yi hwan ya so ya popu ye ni a kire omo midase.
All right, midase. Yeah. Auntie Mary.
Paul Mahama nkasa wo wi a se bi mu nya nkasa.
All right, Oripon.
Yeah, boys. I think there was an issue about Fante issue. So what happened yesterday? He was being attacked by a few guys at Circle, calling themselves national security. They said he intervened on their issue, so they descend on him and they beat him massively. So I had a call. I had to take him to Manprobi Hospital, and he was being admitted and later was discharged. And the police also gave us, the hospital gave us a police report to return it back to the Nima police station. So they have ordered us to come back on Monday morning. His 2 phones has been taken from him by the unknown national security guys, saying that he is one of the target that they are looking for. So that is the breaking news there.
Now, and now Fante coming now Jume and I said now Tree man. I said, how did it happen?
Okay, so Fante sells phones at Circle. So he has a shop at Circle that he used to goes there. And just about a week ago, he traveled with Madame and returned back to Accra. And you record that due to this, our what do you call the 2 Flagberet, they are in Greater Accra. Madame supposed to begin his tour in Greater Accra this week, but because Brana Champon and Kennedy is in Greater Accra, he decided to halt it so that they will continue it. So he is at Circle doing his business, normal business, and this incident happens to him.
Okay. But say Endra no, it was a similar Endra. Say Endra na Accra Mail so now was Circle na.
No, I brief him. Yeah, the whole incident that I brief Accra Mills.
Accra Mail no.
Accra Mail, oh yeah, no was Circle. No, around Circle. Yeah, no was Circle. I didn't hear what you said. I thought you said Honorable Mom. Yes, the Accra Mayor, the mayor was in a Circle yesterday.
Aha.
Around circle issue.
Yes, I say enya kra me on ni teacher ni cheater for na ISS and
No. But these people, they are national securities that located at that circle overhead where the fire service office it. You see when you are coming from you know that area.
Yeah.
Where I'm talking here. Yeah. So those guys. In fact, they have taken Fante Comedy's 2 phones all from him.
And to say no, then I way forward no.
The way forward this Monday morning, we'll be going to the police station. Yesterday, I returned back to the police station. This morning, I went there and they said on Monday, we should come with the police, the hospital report. Then they will give us a report. Then we'll take the case from there. There was no any arrest that was done yesterday. There was no arrest. Just that they told us that the case will take it further on Monday morning. So that's the situation.
I wasn't penny for so near the Omode court. Yes, our police for no
looking at saying our police for Dimina Etienne, do you think say they mean business?
Well, for me, but me wife, what I can say is say, in fact, when we reported this case, Commander no ekache say nya abotre. Authorize Commander or Chelsea nya abotre na case no njem. Into ono kra na ma ye police hospital forms in my de call ye buy the betche no and or chair so okay ofre Nima Commander na on na kasa on that no Monday morning yembra na ye nyina yen call tano pe kra I've gone there and asked him say what's the further notice and I'll tell him so wa share Monday ntino yemma Fantin taking a medication so that from there no we'll take it from there so that's all no
na Fantin want to say
company for be na mama bo mama ne Moses
is aware. Yesterday, when the incident happened, I'm in the hospital. My friend Moses, already Moses, my friend Nepal, crying. Utuhana mo. Young Papa could feel for some cancer. When I reached him this afternoon, he has texted me that he will call. And Matisa Cozy. And so after I'm sending on the details. So I think so far so good. And that's all that I can say. Yeah.
Okay.
Report me that say pass uboa enuano. Why? Nyamisha.
Oh, Mr. Nyamisha for me I'm a boss no. We are small boys so the boss back no. Obadia not update.
But me that say
Mr. Muriano mama chime ba wo yi o me pamocho NDC for. Mr. Mo.
Asemu. Yeah, Auntie Mary, yes. Any reaction? What you say you had the details from your report.
Yes, police for no nyame deep o mo che we o mo man me yes NDC na wo so and MPP na wo opposition nti ye no foolish case say yes wo mo na yes MPP mpanimfo so say wo mo mram e mayen na ye mai wo mo hu hia ye papa yi party say wo mo so na gina wo rempon mo any voice mo say voice of nsawom na any den say wono so adwane because wan nwane pe wono so mo so ni mu a said de aye ba yi ye friend say Fante Comedy sa no mo de be ye nti ye sere ye mpanifo no say wo mo nsori no wo mo nso maye na nya sa ye mrantie ka wo ma no tuma na ye party no agu me da say
yo me da say God girl, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. I'm say afternoon, good evening. Mechia will be our platform you so. Dear me person me can say I don't know what John Mahama and Crawford, I don't know what the color of their problem is. I believe say omo tutu kwan, omo sua ade ni ade. Say omo tu kwan na omo kwa aman foforo so. Sana yesi ye politics. Yeah, if we put politics aside, we are all Ghanaians. Even if we are not Ghanaians, emoja wo mimu. Enti se mene wonya adwen a, adenti na wo se wo attack me. Me want na mabehu ne se, ewiase we na ye wo no, there is natural law. Enti ade na ase Fante Comedy mache no mu ye ni se no. Omo anhwe ya emre bi beba nipa bi ajo Mahama oda na koma so bi pa na se aban sesa omu beye ni bi palma saa time no kra no ontimi nya hwe but ebesi because if you are doing that to fancy comedy no say he's from a family ofre busuam onya aboa we nipa ena ontimi nya Ghana fo na say omu beye NDC for it can't happen anywhere. Miss one thing is man noticing say your mama tell me ya waban enkofo bebre there will be visa refusal. Say din Ghana no enya fe wo amanfo so enya fe din Ghana no enya fe first no na ye bibi as Nigeria for Ghana ni kodi bone cross ye Nigeria ni eso Ghana ni betia esa
ekrom ha me no wo kasei amanfo wo mo nkrata enimu wo ye wo nkrata wo ye Ghana fo afete wo mo me na me ka kire wo wo ma start refuse wo mo wo ekrom ha home office aha sei me na meka
adie bia ekosu bia na ya na to de bia twin say emrofo no omo ye dab they are not dab they know everything that is circulating around enti be mo say omo si dollar akona cedi na die ndie ena no pawe me pon adwuma me call shop say me koto adie ya tete nyoma so enti eno no na ke esama de akoye campaign message ana